Another way to get project media to use for your video is to capture it. If we go up to File and choose Capture, notice we could also have just hit the F5 key on our computer keyboard, that the capture window opens right up for us. Now, if you set up your camera to your capture window, you'll find very often that Premiere will have detected that. If I click on my Setup drop-down menu, notice that you have a choice between selecting audio and video, or just audio, or just video. If you click on the Settings menu here, you can select your capture format and your DV capture. If you edit, see here, you can make any changes that you need to make on your project settings. Your capture location determines where you're going to save the media you are now capturing. You can save it within your project, or you can put it somewhere on your hard drive. Notice that you have different capture location options for video as audio. And now for your device control, if you click on the drop-down menu, you would select whichever one is appropriate and on your list. And if you click Options, notice here you do have set up controls where you can change from NTSC to PAL, for example. What kind of device type are you working with? Is it an HD device? You can capture and create HD with Premiere Pro. And you'll notice here that I do not currently have a video camera connected to my computer. While doing a capture, your video would appear here in this monitor, and you would notice that you have your time settings available, as well as your playback devices and some basic editing as well. Now you can add the pre-roll time that you'd like, or the offset time code, or the time code offset frames. Clicking on the Logging tab up here, you also notice that you can give some specific data. You can give a name, for example, to your clip, a title, a description, what scene. These are really handy notes, of course, for you to be using later on during the editing process. And you have more timecode controls, set in, set out, and log clip. And here you'll notice also that you do have a flyout menu with some options for the panel and frame and so forth.